So today we are looking at two different Craftsman lawn tractors. The first one is a T1600 with a 46-inch deck. And this one here has, for a power supply, a 19 horsepower Briggs and Stratton engine. Briggs and Stratton Gold Plus engine series. Here is the pertinent information on belts and parts. Here's the model number of the engine. And let's take a look at the model number of the lawn tractor itself. This is a hydrostatic. You put the lever in forward, neutral, or reverse, and then you step on the pedal down there and move. So the model number here, there you go, 247.203744. I believe that this unit was made by MTD. I think that's what that 247 means. The lawn tractor we've got next to it is a T2400. And look at that, we got the same Briggs and Stratton 19 horsepower engine, the platinum version of this one. And the model number for that engine is right there. And this is the pertinent information about this one. A little bit dirty. This one also has a 46-inch deck. This one has an automatic transmission, not hydrostatic, but automatic. That's why this one's in the shop today, because it stopped moving. This model number is the 917-250831. Looks like this is from 2015. Here's a little information about Husqvarna, and that, I believe that 917 in the model number indicates that it is made by Husqvarna. Used to be known as AYP, American Yard Products. I think Husqvarna bought it out or changed the name or whatever happens with big businesses, who knows. So two Craftsman lawn tractors made by different companies. They both have the same engine, approximately. And there we go. Craftsman lawn tractors. Oh, I want to point out the difference here between the MTD model. Look at the axle on that one. The front axle looks like it's made out of formed sheet metal or bent sheet metal, or whatever you want to call it. And if we swing over here to the T2400, we're looking at a cast iron axle. So I guess I'm going to be a fan of the cast iron over the sheet metal. But so there's probably some quality differences. But Craftsman does have certain specs that they, even though they don't make their own stuff, they set the specs for what the manufacturers need to meet. So, all right, there we go. Thanks for watching.